How to use BioSight-ID. BioSight-ID is a quiz monitoring tool. All recordings are blurred and audio levels muted to preserve student privacy. The sessions are then ranked by AI to prevent bias, so instructors can look at sessions where there are policy violations. Refer to your institution for more information on your school's cheating policy. Before beginning your BioSight-ID exam, make sure that you have enrolled a BioSight-ID password. Reach out to your instructor if you don't know where to enroll. You should also have a functional camera and microphone, as well as a stable internet connection. Lastly, your computer should meet the minimum system requirements, with updated drivers. Begin by locating your quiz inside your course. Click Proceed with BioSight-ID. A window will pop up and complete a test of your system. When the system test is complete, click Ready to proceed. You may be asked to allow access to your camera and microphone. Click Allow. You then need to adjust your camera to see your entire face. You will not be able to proceed until this is complete. We recommend that there is a light on in your room and that you are in a seated position. You may not leave your seat or change positions during your exam. Keep the pop-up window open. A policy violation will occur if you close the monitoring tool before your test ends. Switch back to your main window and validate your BioSight-ID password. You are now ready to complete your test. Once you have submitted your answers, the BioSight-ID session will end. At this time, you may now close the BioSight-ID pop-up window. If you run into any issues during your BioSight-ID session, please submit a ticket at help.biosig-id.com.